Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the Brother P-Touch Ql-500 Direct Thermal Label Printer. This thermal label printer is designed for both home and office use, and it boasts some impressive features. The Brother P-Touch Ql-500 has a sleek and compact design, making it suitable for any workspace. Its dimensions of 7.3 by 5.3 by 6 inches mean it won't take up much space on your desk. One of the standout features of this printer is its thermal printing technology. Thermal printing eliminates the need for ink or toner, which means no messy refills or replacements. It's a cost-effective and convenient solution for label printing. With a maximum resolution of 300 by 300 dpi, the Ql-500 ensures your labels come out with sharp and clear text and graphics. This high resolution is especially important for labels with small fonts or intricate details. The Brother Ql-500 has a printing speed of up to 212.6 inches per minute. This rapid printing speed saves you time, whether you're printing a single label or multiple labels in a batch. The printer comes with a sharp manual tape cutter, which automatically cuts the label after printing. This feature ensures clean and precise label cuts every time, eliminating the need for scissors or other tools. The Ql-500 offers USB 1.0, 1.1 connectivity, making it easy to connect to your computer or laptop. You can quickly print labels from your devices with minimal setup. Another handy feature is the zoom feature, allowing you to preview labels and layouts before printing. This ensures that your labels look exactly how you want them to. It's worth noting that this product comes from a small business brand, emphasizing the importance of supporting small businesses. In summary, the Brother P-Touch Ql-500 Direct Thermal Label Printer is a versatile and efficient tool for all your labeling needs. With its compact design, high-resolution printing, and fast speed, it's suitable for both personal and professional use. And don't forget the cost savings with thermal printing technology. If you're in the market for a reliable label printer, this one should definitely be on your radar. That wraps up our review of the Brother P-Touch Ql-500 Direct Thermal Label Printer. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.